Hi there, another pack opening. This time we're going to open 10 packs. We're going to do a Arsenal versus Barcelona team battle. Obviously they're playing each other in the next round of the Champions League coming up in a couple of weeks. It's obviously over 2 legs, so we've got 10 packs. The first 5 cards will be the result in the first match. The second 5 packs will be the result in the second match. So then obviously we'll have a total aggregate score. Obviously there's 32 teams, so there's no guarantee how many Arsenal or Barcelona cards we're going to pull from here. So we'll just have a quick look and see what we get. Let's have a look at the first packet. So in the first packet we've got obviously the code card, so we'll just put that to the side. We've got Memedy, Nochi, Quadrado, Pivrich, Juan Mata, man of the match. And then we've got Neto and Coombs duo. We've got a Robin style player. We've got Zahavi captain card, Maxwell and Fernandinho. So no goals so far. Let's have a look at the second pack. And again, we'll put the code card to the side, don't need that. We've got Papadopoulos, Dost, Everett, Fernandez, and we've got Zahavi, man of the match, and then we've got Hazard and Hahn duo, Gaetan style player, and then we've got the first goal of the game going to Captain Iniesta for Barcelona, so that's 1-0. And then we've got Golovin and Delph. So the third packet. And again, we'll put the code card to the side. And then with an equaliser, arguably Arsenal's best player of the season so far, Mesut Ozil. So that makes it 1-1, and then Naldo, Ivanovic, Eduardo, and then we've got Herman, man of the match, Brahimi, star player, Nielsen, Martial, Milanov and Stindl. So let's move on to the fourth packet. Another code card, so we'll get rid of that for the time being. And then we've got another goal for Arsenal, this time Bellerin, Caligiuri, Brazagli, or Barzagli even, Rakip, De Rossi, and then an equaliser for Barcelona, Luis Suarez, star player, Shatov, Schneiderlin, Berezutski and Sterling. And then the injury time card for the first match, injury time pack. We've got another goal for Arsenal, Theo Walcott, Martins Indy, Costa, Cambiaso, and then we've got Wendell and Hilbert, Hulk, star player. Crescito, Rojo, Vida, and Hazard. So the result of the first leg so far, we've got Barcelona 2 and Arsenal 3. So let's crack on to the second set of 5 with into the second leg. Start with Nzonzi, Ruma, Pedro, De Jong, Hahn and Hazard, duo cards. Depotra, star player. Silva, Rabiot, Mika, and Salah. And code card. Next pack. Here we've got Benega, Hendricks, Courtois, Slavkovsky, Dragovic, man of the match, and then we have Pjanic, star player, Van der Bruggen, Cruz, Moraes, and Gervinho. After 5 goals in the first match is quite return leg so far. Vitolo, Yilmaz, Kadira, Bankson, and then just as I was saying that there's not much going on, Rakitic and Busquets duo card, so Barcelona make it 3-all. And then we got Guardado, Garay, Matuidi, Garcia, and Browers, another code card. Last couple of packs. We've got Talisca, Sarioglu, Alonso, Brown, Benega, man of the match, Wendell and Hilbert, which seems to be the most popular card in the entire set, star player, Politanovic, and with a fairly late goal we've got Dani Alves taking the lead for Barcelona to 4-3, and Imbula. And then moving on to the last pack. Hilbert, Marcano, Neuer, Finn Borgerson, and again another popular card, we've got Toni Kroos, and we've got the Champions League logo card, so pop that just up the top. And the Vicky, star player, Isco, Gonzalez, and Rigotta. So the final score, we've got Barcelona 4 and Arsenal 3. And obviously another good card that we managed to get out of these packs. Also, you can see the Champions League logo card. So please like, subscribe, and keep checking back for more videos.